out, getting wet, staying, trying to survive because
we can race. I'll probably lose though.
Oh my God.
Ready? Yep.
What is that? Can someone please tell me what's going on?
Remember last week, Tony Parker of the Spurs was on vacation and he was renting this?
That's what he was
It's
renting?
a water-powered jetpack.
That almost took Matt Johnson down with them?
That looks like fun. Is that Carl DeMaio?
In the studio?
That looks like Carl DeMaio.
I have all these kids out here. They're having so much fun out here in the water, just hanging out, getting wet, staying cool in this heat. I mean, I'm getting, okay, I wasn't expecting that. Okay, I'm being attacked. Okay. So this is happening. This is how we're staying cool, clearly, because, still getting attacked. This is like a war zone out here, and this is really not the only way that people, okay, all right, so we are getting really attacked here, you guys. All right, play nice. Okay. So, clearly I am trying to survive because I'm still getting attacked, and we're going to send it back to you guys because this is a little bit too much for me out here, but clearly we are staying cool. We're beating the heat.
I have to keep the microphone. I know how you work, Mary. You want to keep the mic and just steal it from me? I see how it works. Okay. Oh, I almost fell down. That would have been bad. That would have been great. I could have fell on live TV. That would have been okay. Put the feet inside. Okay. You guys ready? Are we ready?
You racing?
We can race. I'll probably lose, though. Although my weight might actually help with the gravity. We ready? All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go! Oh. Woo, it's a little slippery this morning. Whoa, I'm getting some air. Woo, that was more painful than I expected. Well, Sean and Priya, I'm going to...
Nick, that was fantastic.
Amazing television, Nick Monticelli, and your laugh gets us all going.
John, I'm going to give you the mic. I'm a little bit nervous. Have you done this one before?
I have. I've done it last year, and you're going to have a great time.
I'm scared. I feel my heart. I really am kind of. I'm get a chicken. I always end up, doing these things on TV just to make everybody happy. Oh my God, this is quite the jump. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Okay, you think I can do it?
We should be careful.
I promise I'm not faking this for the camera. Okay, I think I need to get a little wet, right, on my back? Okay, here we go, guys. I'm going to send it back to you guys. My heart's beating a little bit fast, and I'm not even trying to be over dramatic. That's just what's happening.
You
so,
are.
John,
you got it.
The little boy was cheering all the way down.
It's going to be a lot.
Sit down first. There you go.
Here we go.
Okay.
We're not going to hear us
put your feet down and kind of get to the side.
We'll hear it. Yeah, we'll hear it.
Put your head back.
It hasn't even gone down yet.
Oh my God.
Ready? Yep. Ready? 1,
go.
2, 3,
go.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, great job.
That was fun.
She got some air. That was excellent. Is she okay?
She's coming back up.
Is she alive?
Kylie, where are you? Can you get out? There she's
That was awesome.
That looks like so much fun.
We got to recue that and do it in slow mo.
I was just going to tell you again.
She got some good air there, and she can't get out of there.
The most common violation